Welcome back. You're still watching SABC News Prime Time. It was a day of high drama at the Magistrate's Court in Port Elizabeth ahead of the formal bail hearing of Nigerian Pastor Timothy Omotoso.
He faces 22 counts relating to child trafficking and sexual assault. He allegedly targeted members of his own Jesus Dominion ministry.
Court was delayed as additional charges were brought by the NPA against Omotoso. When proceedings got underway, the state painted a bleak picture of the flamboyant pastor, outlining allegations of sexual grooming of vulnerable young girls. Statements by the victims allege that they were forced to stay at a rented house in KZN for up to 6 months at a time, where they would be brought to the pastor for sexual favors.
Pastor Omotoso now is facing 22 charges for the contravention of the Sexual Offences Act. That includes your sexual offences, the trafficking in persons. So yes, he's now facing 22 charges, and like we always say, there is a possibility of us adding more charges again.
The state has opposed bail on the grounds that Omotoso is a flight risk. There has also been reports of intimidation against the complainants. Outside court, huge crowds with opposing views. Members from the community calling for him to face the full brunt of the law, while some members of his church chanted his innocence. The SABC has brought an application to have the proceedings broadcast live. A decision on the application will be made known on Thursday. The bail hearing continues. Lee Paulser, SABC News, Port Elizabeth.